What up? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Check it out. The classic crust. It's a classic. Same fucking boxing since I was a fucking kid. I mean, pretty much. Still the same name. Check that out. Remember that one? Yeah, still good. The DiGiorno is a little thick on the crust. I like this better, less friggin' bread. See the picture there. Here's what it's looking like before it goes in the oven. And we're going in right about now. About 25 minutes. Here it is out of the oven. Been out for about 3-4 minutes by now. Looking delicious. And look at that cut right down the middle. Gonna get in there. Yup, pretty friggin' delicious. I'd rather have this than DiGiorno with all the fucking bread in there. Did I just say that a couple clips back? Probably. My bad, guys. Yeah, fucking not bad at all. 2 of these at Kroger the other day was like $7, so $3.50 each. And it has potential to feed 2 or 3 people, you know? So not a bad deal. Anyway, just wanted to bring that content to you. Fucking hook up the YouTube algorithm a little bit. Please like and subscribe. And please click on one of these videos popping up on the screen by YouTube. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace.